What's going on YouTube? Steven, the Salon Guy here, and in today's haircut video, I'm going to be doing Griffin Johnson from TikTok. He's got pretty interesting hair, and I'm going to be doing the cut today, so I'm gonna go through the cut, follow along, and then I'll break it down at the end.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ayy, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation. Hate plotting my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom line. Bottom feeding niggas out of line. Turn your heart rate to a dotted line. Yeah, my zodiac probably dollar sign. Got the energy to win it, my nigga, I'm feeling great. Got a date with destiny, focusing on my fate. I don't give a fuck what you rapping, you been a fake. I'm everything that they ain't, it can't be, it won't be. Wanna see me fall, I can't go, I won't leave. Coming from the block with plain clothes and police. Straight up to the top with bankrolls and rollies. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ayy, 12 can't really stop shit, so I'm still pushing like a mosh pit. Ice dripping, think I'm hot shit. In a yellow bucket with the mop stick. I've been jugging jams like wholesale. Everything must go sell. Hitting bitches with the oh well. Need 100 milli on the low scale. On my worst night, I'm the best nigga. Wouldn't mess with you, couldn't cap to him. Homie spotted me like 700, brought 1100 right back to him. If I can't do it, then it ain't real. I just make dollars, I don't make deals. I've been going hard in the paint, still blowing kush clouds till I can't feel like. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the.
All right, guys, let's break it down. First, what I did is I used my clipper over comb, just get rid of all that excess length throughout the bottom here. Then I used a number 4 guard and worked it up this way. Actually, a little bit of a number 2 right throughout the bottom edges here, just to make it a little bit tighter throughout here. And then I did everything by hand. And the goal, obviously, with his hair is, you know, he's got like the side part here, but the hair kind of just, you know, does its own thing and kind of sticks out here, which is really unique, which is why I want to do it. So everything is blended in by hand to where it's about, I'd say, 2.5 inches right in through here. The top is, I'd say, about 3 to 3.5 inches long. The same thing on this side here. Again, I went with a very square shape so we can get a little bit of that volume in through this side right here. And the top in the very, very front is, again, probably about 3.5 to 4 inches long. And I just blow dried it. You want to blow dry the sides up to make sure it's a little bit messy, and so it does kind of, you know, get that texture, and it does, really, it's sticking up. You know, it's what the whole point of this whole thing is, that the hair is sticking straight up. Same thing on this side here. And I didn't put any product in it, and just basically let the haircut and the blow dry do all the work. All right, YouTube. Griffin, if you see this, let me know what you think. I'm going to blast this on TikTok. You know, again, I think you've got pretty cool hair. So let's help him get to see this. And if you want to make a meme or a TikTok about it, that'll be sick. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.